Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you need to immediately end an active remote session, or you want to permanently revoke someone's ability to connect to your computer in the background, AnyDesk gives you full control to cut the connection. I will show you exactly how to stop any current or future access right now. Let's get started. First, if someone is currently connected to your computer and you want to kick them out immediately, you simply need to close the active session window. Look for the AnyDesk Accept panel or the main active tab on your screen. Click the red Disconnect button, or just click the standard X in the top right corner to close the window entirely. This will instantly terminate their connection and freeze their view of your screen. Next, if you previously set up a password to allow someone to connect without you being there to manually accept it, you must disable this feature to prevent them from logging back in later. Open your AnyDesk application, click the four-line menu in the top right corner, select Settings, and navigate to the Security tab. Click Unlock Security Settings, and under the Permissions or Unattended Access section, uncheck the box labeled Allow Other Devices to Save Login Token for this client, and then click on Clear All Tokens. Finally, even when the main window is closed, AnyDesk is usually still running as a background service listening for new connection requests. To completely shut the software down and take your computer entirely off the grid, look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar near the clock. Right-click the red AnyDesk icon and select Quit. This completely stops the application until you manually launch it again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.